Welcome to my channel. First of all, take a look at the channel Rabbit's journey. They've uploaded only 33 videos and already have 2.79 million subscribers. As you can see, many of their videos have gone viral and reached millions of views. These kinds of AI videos are going viral these days, and today we'll learn how to make similar videos using a very easy and new method. In this video, I'm sharing a complete course on this topic. If you watch this video till the end, it's just 6 minutes long, you will understand everything. But if you skip any part, you might miss important details. I've explained everything in a very simple, easy, and unique way, so you can start making AI videos yourself. If you are new to this YouTube channel, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's begin and learn how to create trending AI videos step by step. Step 1. First, go to your YouTube channel and search for Snipping Tool. Select it and use it to crop the image you want. After cropping, save the image with any name you like. For example, I'll name it Rabbit. Next, open ChatGPT and click on the plus icon to upload the saved image. Once uploaded, write this message below the image. Give me 6 image prompts based on this story or image. After that, ChatGPT will automatically generate some helpful prompts for you. Step 2. Now open the free website Pika and choose the image size. I'm selecting 9:16 vertical size. After that, go back to ChatGPT. Under the previous prompts, make sure to write this line. Please make the rabbit's color white. ChatGPT will then adjust the prompts and generate 6 new image prompts with a white rabbit. You can still use the old prompts, but in those, the rabbit may not appear white. After that, I go to Pika and paste the prompt. After a short time, the image will appear. Then I open Leonardo.ai and create the image there too. I select whichever image looks better. Next, I go to Custom Size and select 9:16. Now, I take the prompt from ChatGPT and paste it here, and the image will be created. You can see how amazing the image looks. In this way, I keep copying and pasting the other prompts. You can see on the screen, I pasted one more prompt, and after a short time, another image appears. Check it out. The image looks exactly the same as you wanted. Keep copying and pasting all the prompts like this, and your images will be created step by step. Follow the steps carefully, because if you miss any part, maybe you won't understand it properly. I want to tell you something important about Leonardo.ai. Leonardo.ai offers 150 free daily credits to all users, allowing you to generate high-quality AI images easily. These credits refresh every 24 hours, making it perfect for creators who want to design consistent characters, scenes, and art styles. No payment needed, just sign in and start creating stunning visuals every day. Step 3. Generate video. This step is very important. To generate videos, we can use any of these 3 websites: Runway, Miel, digen.ai. Halawai gives you some free credits, but digen.ai gives 300 credits daily, which lets you make about 10 videos. If you watch the videos carefully, you can make 20 to 30 videos in one day. Today, I will use digen.ai. Digen.ai gives you 300 daily credits, allowing you to create up to 10 videos every day. If you follow my method, you can make even more videos on this platform. It's a powerful tool for easy and fast video generation with generous free credits to maximize your creativity. Digen.ai, very good and best tool. We will open 2 or 3 browsers and log into digen.ai on each browser. This way, we will get 300 plus 300 equals 600 credits by using different Gmail accounts on each browser. Remember this. Now I will click Create and upload the first image. Below the image, I will write the prompt. The rabbit was walking on rocks with some natural movements. After that, I will click Generate Video and the video will start creating. Similarly, I will upload the second image and write this prompt. The rabbit is on top of a bottle, the water is flowing, the bottle is drifting, and it's raining. Now I will click Generate, and you should follow the same step-by-step process. This way, your videos will start creating. Keep copying and pasting your prompts just like I'm doing. Why open two browsers? The benefit is that we can make videos for two images at the same time in different browsers. So, upload one image and write the prompt in one browser and do the same in the other browser. The videos will start creating simultaneously. Remember, video creation takes some time. It usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes to make one video. But this is a free tool, and by using my method, you can make many videos. If you use only one browser, you can create only one video every 15 minutes. Using two browsers, you can make 4 videos in 15 minutes. Now, my video is ready. You can see it here. I will download it. Step 4, final step, very important. Step now, we need to edit these videos. For that, use CapCut. I edit my videos in CapCut, but now we also need background music. Background music is very important. What do we do for that? Go to YouTube and click on your YouTube Studio. Then click on YouTube Audio Library. Here, you will find many sound effects and music tracks. You can use any sound effect or music you like. These are copyright free. For example, sounds like water, rain, etc. If you want more, search on YouTube for water sound effect without copyright. You'll find many good ones. Use the ones you like. Download those sounds and add them in CapCut to adjust with your video. That's it. I just showed you how to make videos like this. Now it's up to you to use your creativity and see how you can use this method to easily make any videos. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video. Next time, I will bring another method for you. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comments.